How to log in Twitter account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can log into Twitter account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, in order to log into Twitter account, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Twitter, or now rebranded as X application. Now, as you do that, normally I'm already logged into my account over here. So I'm just going to go ahead and then basically first of all sign out of my current account here by just tapping the logout button. After I've done that, you can see I can tap on the create account option, or I can simply continue with Google, or if you already have an account, tap on login. Tap on the login button. All you have to do is simply make sure to enter your phone, email address, or the username. Tap on next option and enter the password. If you forgot your password and you would like to reset it, tap the forgot password option here to reset your Twitter password. That's all it takes to go ahead and then log in on Twitter. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.